Okay, so I'll go over Pareto front quickly. First we're gonna use pandas for this example, and the Excel file is available in the GitHub. So first, let's read the Excel file. Read the sheet names. There's 3 different sheets in the Excel file. So we're gonna use shape memory alloys dataset for this example. So first, we're gonna input the shape memory alloys dataset and display a few column and row to get an idea like what is our data look like. So according to the paper, we only need to use these 2 columns, thermal hysteresis and transition temperature. So next, we're gonna select or filter out these 2 columns and just plot them to see how the data look like. Now the main function, we try to find Pareto frontier. So as you can see, Pareto frontier gonna be this point, coordinate always less than the other in this plot. So by definition, we have 2 points. For example, this point and this point. Let's call this is A and this is B. The coordinates of A is x1, y1. Coordinate B is x2 and y2. We say that A is dominate if x1 is less than x2. In this case, it is true, and also y1 is less than y2, and it also holds true in this case. However, there are 2 conditions, but we only need 1 condition to be strict. So what I meant is that if x1 equal x2, these points gonna be kind of overlap here, but we say it's not strict. The second condition, y1 is less than y2, it is a strict condition, so A still dominate B. So this is the algorithm to find Pareto front. It's gonna take a shorter data frame, x and y column. So first it's gonna sort of data in x-axis. So you can look at the example here. You see x is in ascendance order, so 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. And now after that, we're gonna append the first one. So we know that the first one has the lowest x value. We append that. Now we have x value is this, y value is 8.6206. Next is we're gonna iterate through the loop. So we're gonna iterate from here to the end of the loop. So let's say if shorted df. So if the y value less than the y value in the Pareto front array, is gonna append that value into the array. Because so y, we only compare y because we already compare x here. X is shorted, so we always know that the value of the next one, the x value of the next one is always less than the value of the previous one in the Pareto frontier. So we only need to compare y, and then if y is also less than that value, we add it into the Pareto front, and now that point become the dominant point, and so on and so forth. So that's basically the algorithm. And next we're gonna plot the Pareto front. Okay, so this is the plot for the Pareto front. As you can see, this is the first point that we have. It's as I remember, it's 1.8 something and 8.6062. Yeah, similar. Yeah, 1.86206. So yep, that's how the Pareto front algorithm works.